So for the domain, guys, normally you can have companies like name.com. Some of the domains we have are with GoDaddy. Those companies na nagre-register ng with domain nyo, we call that one as domain registrars. For GoDaddy, their domains, normally they offer it at a very affordable rate. So when you search for your domain, you just have to go to companies like GoDaddy.com. You can also have like name.com and also Namecheap. Now, when you search for your domain name, normally some of the trainees or participants or MSMEs simply just register the domain that they like. When you register your domain, you have to consider things like SEO, your brand, of course, and another thing is the use of the TLDs or the top level domain. These are the .coms, .net, the .org, and .info, .site, .pro. You can actually have lots of TLDs, .ph, .com.ph, okay? Don't rush or think about several times, a lot of times before you register your domain so that later on, you won't regret your domain name.